and welcome everyone. This is Sangeeta Prabha from class 10A. Now I am going to speak on the topic creation of space led to the evolution of human beings. First, I'll started with the singularity point. This singularity point is smaller in size than the atom, but it has mass more than that of black hole and it has a lot of energy. One day this singularity point have been exploded and this is called as the Big Bang. Here you can see two types of era after the Big Bang. This is radiation era and this is matter era. Radiation era is named for dominance of radiation and matter is named for presence and dominance of matter in the universe. In the radiation era, we can find that the world's first element, that is universe first element, helium is found, and then in the matter era we can find the hydrogen, the universe second element. Here you can see the electronic configuration of this. This is neutron and proton. These two combine together to form the helium and hydrogen, and we can also see one more component called helium-3, which has only 3 subatomic particles, and heavy deuterium. Now we can go with the singularity point. This singularity point exploded and it led to the supernova. Supernova is the core of dying stars which collided together to form this supernova. And next you can see the solar nebula. While during this collision of two dying stars, radioactive waves and the shock waves have been entered the solar nebula, and this led to the creation of interstellar cloud of dust and space. This later formed as a protostar. This protostar is the mother who gave birth to the solar system, and from this our sun have been formed. Next, the remaining parts like the asteroids and meteors turned to form the earth and many other planets. Now we can see the collision of Theia. You have been heard about the formation of moon, that it had been collided with one more planet to form the moon. That planet name is Theia. It looks like Earth at that time, and it collided with the Earth to form the moon. And next we can go with the evolution of human beings and the Earth. Earth have gone through several stages through which we have been living now. First it started with the unicellular organism, and later the multicellular organism first created in the ocean. Now we can see the picture like this is Tiktaalik, the first ever aquatic creature which came to the land surface, and this later became as the rodents and many other amphibians like dinosaurs. These dinosaurs have been dead due to the collision of another asteroid which is 10 kilometer in length, and after that all of the dinosaurs and many other creatures have been dead because the acidification of the ocean. Acid rain began to fall, and due to that the ocean became acidified, which has the pH level less than 4. And then how do we create it? That is the major question which was formed here, and the answer to this question is the rodents and many other animals dig the deep hole in the soil, and they have been living here by eating the other microorganisms and like earthworms, beetles, like that they ate and they have survived. And they later came to the surface of the earth when it became habitable. And now you can see the picture of Homo habilis. This is the first ever monkey which later became as the human being. Now you can see the life stages of the human. This is called as human lineage, and this started with the Australopithecus, and after it lead to the Homo sapiens. Who is Homo sapiens means this is the picture of Homo sapien. This is the modern human, and we have been evolved from this. And a part of evolution takes place when we are began to hunt. And this I have shown some Stone Age. Here I am keeping some Stone Age weapons. This is a part of evolution from where the human beings have been evolved. Now I have kept a model of the skull. Why I have kept here means it is also a stage of human life. Why means when humans started to eat the meat, they first cooked it and after they ate. At the time they have the lower jaw which was very big. When they started to chew it, the lower jaw became to be small and the upper part of the brain began to grow, and this led to the bigger of brain. This led to bigger brain. Now we are having a lot of knowledge due to that brain, and this evolution will not stop up to here. It will we may also evolve into a new species, and the unwanted things like hair and tail have been fallen from the early days people, and now we have evolved into a new human being, and later on we will also evolve into a new human being, and we will become as a part of history. Thank you for listening me with so patience. Thank you.